What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Q Souls, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Please make sure, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and ding the bell to turn on notifications. Got videos dropping consistently, and I promise you do not want to miss out on any of that. And while you're at it, go ahead and drop a like on this video. Trying to get me pushed to new faces, grow one sub at a time. You already know the spiel, all that good stuff. Anyway, for today's video, I have a Christmas unboxing. Tis the holidays. Merry Christmas to all my fans. Is it Merry Holiday? I think it's Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, because this will be my last video of 2020. So we're gonna end it off with a complete banger. But yeah, Happy New Year's to all you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the time. Hope you guys enjoyed your family, the time you spent with your family, and of course the holiday cheer. But with that being said, let's get right into the shoot. Oh, I almost forgot. I did gift myself, as well as the shoes, I did gift myself classic Yankee fitted. As you can see right here, got the branding, Q Souls right there. Fire. Love it. It's just one of the gifts, you know, I got myself. But now let's get right into the shoot. Here we have it here, wrapped up so I would not see what is in the box, although I bought them, so I do know what's in the box. They ain't got nothing to do with anything. We're gonna take all this off real quick. Get into the what? The festivities. Yeah, take that off. Anyway, you can see the label right there. Size 7, Airmore up tempos. These here, this colorway here is my favorite colorway in this sneaker. You got the Airmore up tempos in the Scottie Pippen colorway. Now I know a lot of you from reading the label is probably expecting the 2020 black pair, the OG ones. And no, I love those pairs, don't get me wrong. I want that pair too, but I just didn't get my hands on that pair. You know, I just like this pair. This is my #1 colorway. And I love this silhouette. And this is my #1 colorway in this silhouette. So I decided to go with this shoe. I absolutely love it. This big like these right here, like this is so fire to me. Like the letters actually correspond and like make the silhouette, and it goes perfectly with it. The A, the I, the R. I love that jeweled Nike logo on the back. And the reason why I like this is because I feel like some Nike sneakers, I'm gonna say like a lot of Nike sneakers, in my opinion, grab inspiration from this shoe. For example, the jeweled Nike check. I'm not saying this is the first shoe that had that, but I think this is where like the popularity grew for the jeweled Nike check. Right there, the small Nike checks that you be seeing on shoes. This one's not super small, but it is smaller than a regular Nike check. So I think that grew inspiration to put small Nike checks on other shoes. And as well as the lettering here, a lot of clothing brands like what's that clothing brand or streetwear brand, whatever you want to call it? Oh, Cactus Plant Flea Market. The shoes that they have that have flea on the side and like cactus plant, like all that inspiration literally came from this shoe. Like this was the first shoe to have the lettering on here, how it is, and actually spell something, actually say something. And I just think that's extremely dope. I love this colorway, simple, all white with the black letters with hints of red here. I will drop a full review on this shoe. I know this shoe did come out, I think it was 3 years ago, 2 years, let me see. What? Did these release in 2022? It says production date was March 27, 2020. Hey, I'm confused. I thought I was getting the 2015 pair, 2017 pair, one of those two. I ain't know these released in 2022. That's what they say on the tongue. From 2019 to 2020. Well, hey, I guess this is the 2020 version. So, hey, now I'm definitely dropping a full review on these. I will be getting that black pair. And once I get those, I'll be dropping a full review on those. But yeah, this is the shoe. The Airmore up tempo Scottie Pippen colorway. Fire pair. This shoe is clean. Oh my god. Whew. Yes, sir. That new shoe smell. I did only get these for $112 off the Go app, so I don't even know how. I don't know if I'm just be finding steals on the Go app or people just don't care about this shoe. I got these for $112, size 7. I didn't know they came out in 2020. Thought I was getting the older pair. And they retail for $140 or $150. Let me see what they retail for. They retail for $130, and I got them for $112. Hey, I ain't gonna sit here and complain. Very dope pickup. Last pickup of 2000. Okay, that's a lot. I have one more shoe coming in, but it won't be here until December 31st. So this is gonna be technically my last pickup of 2020. We'll be dropping it for review. And with that being said, you know, let's just end the video off. Give you guys a quote. Today's quote is going to be inspired by the new year, since this is my last video of 2020. So I want to give you guys a quote to go into the new year with a new mindset and a fresh mindset. And today's quote is, the new year is a time to say goodbye, but it is also a time to say hello. And what that basically means is what you're saying goodbye to is the past. Anything that happened in 2020 that was negative, all that is nowhere near as important as what 2020 is going to bring. So you're going to say goodbye, even if 2020 was a good year for you. All that is now in the past, and 2020 is what you're going to say hello to. More opportunities, greater happiness, more things that's just good for you. And I think that's the mindset everybody should go into 2021 with. 2020 is over. It was a tough year for everybody, but 2021 is a totally new year, another opportunity to get things right, another opportunity to be your best every single day. And with that being said, you know the quote, you know the motto, aim high, spread love. I'm out.